Hello, I'm Chen Hui. The unboxing experience is an essential part of the journey with the LFi One smartphone. We will design our packaging to be as premium and elegant as the device itself. Each box is made from high quality, sustainable materials, reflecting our commitment to the environment. Inside, you will find your brand new LFi One smartphone, along with all the necessary accessories, neatly arranged. We believe that the packaging of the product is its first impression, and we strive to make it a memorable one for our customers.